Hello everyone, Anna here, and in Amsterdam we are having a very sunny Saturday afternoon. Today I want to show you one advent calendar which I bought not for myself but for a friend of mine. This is Wally and Wiz advent calendar from Nordic Wine Gums. If you remember, in the last goodie box I've received a voucher for this advent calendar. I didn't know what it is. With that voucher you had a 10% discount. It's a small discount, but even without it I already thought it would be a nice present, so I would buy it anyway. This box came pretty quick, within a few days, all the way from Denmark. You can see there is the brand on the box, and what was inside the box also surprised me quite a lot. I think this is the most elegantly packed present I've ever seen. It came in this beautiful bag, which you can just use every day. I'd say it's a creative bag. It's just black with a golden usable or suitable for everyone. And also you see here in the small letters, this bag is made from 100% recycled material. Inside the bag you also see the website of Wally and Wiz, also a tiny elegant label. Let's see how the box looks like. This is an advent calendar with gourmet gums. You know, like you have those gums in the supermarket, just teddy gums. But these are gourmet gums and they are 100% vegan. I also think maybe that's why they made the motto of the bag, it's suitable for everyone. Because vegan, it's not only for people who are vegan or vegetarian, it's for everyone. Everyone can eat it, including vegan people. In this calendar we have gourmet gums, and that means that you get a very unique combination of flavors. You get apple with gooseberry, apple with yuzu, mango with raspberries, mango with passion fruit, black currant, elderflower with ginger, lime with figs. I don't even know some of those words. You open the calendar, you get rid of the description because this is a present and you don't want to know what's inside, which flavors you're gonna open the next day. I don't want to sound drunk, but this box looks expensive. It looks so elegant and nice. You open it like that, you think, whoa, where are the numbers? Well, that's not it. Then you open it further like this. How amazing is that? Every day you get the small package of wine gums. For example, this one randomly picked is with black currant flavor gummies sprinkled with strawberry powder. All the gums inside, they are good till the May 2022. In this small bag you have 5 to 7 squares of gummies. I will show you now, I will try one. It is the first time I see such a creative box. I think it should for sure be saved for the future. In my case it would be a present, so I won't be able to save it. In this box I received one loose package of gummies, so you can see how they look like. This one is mango flavor gummies sprinkled with raspberry powder. I am sure people who are into food, into mixing different flavors, they would love these gummies. I find them very tasty, that's it. I would just eat a lot of them. When I received that box, I received it with this small card which says, "Dear Anna, thanks and enjoy, all the best." And it is also signed and with a smiley. I would like to think that this card is signed by a cook who made those gummies. This calendar was quite pricey. I think I paid for it about 35 euro, but I think it's worth it. 5 facts about these gummies. These are 100% vegan, animal-free, gluten-free, no artificial flavors, and no artificial color. That was it about this advent calendar. I will see you in the next video, and for now I will just eat the rest of these gummies. And I wish you a very nice day or night.